ladies and gents, let's move on to the hair part. Now this video was sponsored by VSHOW hair, and they have sent me this beautiful 4x4 12-inch bob wig. I love bobs, you guys. Bobs are so much in trend. It just basically makes every single makeup look pop so much, and you can wear it daily. Now first I'm gonna use my Hair and Ella. These are her lace tints that I really love, so I'm gonna be using chocolate smudge to just tint my lace. And then we are going to be putting this wig on to see how it fits. I've adjusted the elastic band at the back, and this wig was looking so funny when I first put it on, but it just clearly shows that it is very important for you to style your hair. So don't go out looking like this, please. Okay, so I'm gonna make a good parting. So I'm just parting that hair to make it neat. Obviously, I'm going for a center part since it is a closured wig. Then I'm going to be using my favorite wax stick, which I'll be linking down below, to just tame the hair, and this way it's so much easier to keep that center part super flat. So I'm going to then go in with my hot comb, and I'm just pressing on the hair, trying to make it like not bulky. So I just moved the wig back because the hot comb was slightly hot. So I'm just making a parting, and that parting is just for me to basically, like I said, keep the hair flat. I'm going to use a tweezer to just tweeze a little bit of hair out of that parting, just to give it a bit of a space, and then I am going to go on and cut the lace. Then I'm just going to take out one baby hair on my forehead, and I'm just going to trim it. And look at that. So I'm going to use a powder to just put on the parting so that it could look like my skin tone. And then I'm going to use a mascara because the powder can sometimes go onto the hair. So now I'm going to use my hair straighteners by GHD, and I'm just basically straightening the hair and bending it on the bottom of the hair. I just absolutely love that bend. It just makes the bob like show. You can see the cut super perfectly. I really like this hair from VSHOW hair. Like, oh my god, you guys, this is so far my favorite collaboration that I've done. I absolutely fell in love with the hair the moment I basically straightened it. Look at that. I mean, just look at this. First of all, this wig is so light. It feels super light on my head. I wear it every day since after this video. I just absolutely love it. Super, super, super nice. It is such a beautiful wig. Now we're going to use this argan oil to just make the hair shine a little bit. So I'm just applying this all over the hair. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and spray a little bit of got2b glue on top of it, just to keep all those little hairs down. Now this was the finished look. It was so easy to style this hair, you guys. Took me literally just a couple of minutes. You can do this at home as well. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and shout out to VSHOW hair. Absolutely love this wig. Thank you guys. See you on my next video. Bye.